Okay, is this thing on? Alright, we're good. Okay, YouTube, this is me. Today I am going to be attempting to install my Yoshimura Alpha 3/4 exhaust onto my 2018 Ninja. Love that Ninja. ZX-10R. For my ultimate quest of more horsepower. Since this behemoth muffler, the factory muffler, oh god, and that catalytic converter with that little restrictor valve down there that kills your performance at higher RPMs. And so we want to get a better tone, better sound, better performance. So let's get started on it. Oh, one more thing. Yeah, we got the performance muffler, the cat delete, the hardware, the instructions. I always say read the instructions. Even if you've done it a few times, it still helps out. It gives you a general idea of what you need, what tools you're going to need. But this is what I want to show you a picture of. They put a effing baffle in with it. What kind of sick person would put a baffle in the Yoshimura Alpha? It just baffles me and defies all logic. So I'm going to show you the tools that I'm going to use. Alright. You got to take the seat off, then under the seat to get the plastic piece off. I don't know the friggin' size, I forgot to look. I don't have my glasses, but I'm using this driver to get it off. 10mm extension, another 10mm on 3/8 drive, 1/4 inch drive, a T25 safety Torx, a few wrenches and all that. I'm going to try a little trick on getting the O2 sensor out. I hope it'll work, but I was trying to find where the wires went to unplug them, and if I can't unplug it, I'm going to try this trick to see if I can get it out. But alright, let's get started. I'm talking too much and rambling on. Alright, first thing, take the passenger seat off. Gotta use your key, pop it. Alright, then on the plastic piece under the passenger seat, you have 4 screws. They're Allens, and they have a little plastic washer on them. You want to make sure you don't drop your washer. So, alright, let's do this. Alright, once you get your screws out, slide this back and pull it up. Okay, you have you have 2 10mm bolts that holds the seat on. So one here, one here. And the reason we're taking the seat off, we want to get to this servo that has the 2 cables to go down to the butterfly and exhaust system. It cuts it back and forth to restrict. From what I understand, it's to restrict the decibel levels once you get on up in the higher RPMs. But you could probably hear them when you crank first turn your switch on. You could hear bzz, bzz. But there's another one that limits the airflow in too on the air box. So you just take these, Zip. Alright, this is the first time I've taken the seat off, so. Alright, that was simple. Oh crap, there's my battery. Alright, and I've heard that these are son of a gun to get these servo cables off. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Alright, focus, you prick. There we go. Alright, here's the cables. You know, they have some freaking adjustment here. I wonder if nobody's even noticed that on YouTube. Well, I'm gonna do like the other guys do. Just take this one out, then pull the clips and get them out that way. And try not to drop nothing down in the back, or I'll have to get the magnet out. Another thing, I have a magnetic bolt pan. Well, you don't want to accidentally ground off with your positive battery terminal. But I'm going to clip all this crap back on here. I'm not going to take the servo out. So everything I'm going to put right back on it, tighten it back up. If you want to know what the proper torque is, you could probably look it up online. That might would have helped. Do is take the muffler itself off, and this takes a 10, a 12, and a 10. Okay, got that one loose. And you are going to be reusing the hardware, the muffler and the cap and the pipe mounts. So keep that in mind. Alright, just slip her out. Okay, now comes the fun part. I'll show you if it can look down in there, but you can see the little door, the flap. That's what restricts your flow, the butterfly. So let's do that. Alright, well, down in there is the clamp for the muffler, the catalytic the catalytic converter to the that friggin' header, and right inside there is the mounting bolt for the cat. And I think it's I'm not prepared, I believe it's a 14 millimeter socket. So I'm gonna have to go get it. And I got a few I have a few wood blocks to let the cat sit on while I try to figure out how to get that stinking O2 wire out. And it looks like the cat is mounted with a Allen screw. Joey. So I've got the metric Allen screw out. I'm going to go ahead and break loose the pipe bolt. one tight. This clamp you do not have to reuse. Okay, the Allen wrench or the Allen socket is a to hold the cat on is a 6mm. But I've got 6 minutes left on this video, so I'll try to get it out and drop it down. If not, I'll just continue on the next video. I'll give you a quick pick up on there. Alright, last bolt to be removed. Now I'll slide the cat off. It takes 5 minutes, so you might not get to see it. Oh shoot, there's a plastic washer. Make sure I don't lose it. Three minutes. Let me go along. pair of pliers to pull that bolt out. Then I'll drop this cat down. Yeah, save that, gotta reuse it. Okay, if all goes well, that sucker will come out and I'll set it down and I can This is rough trying to make video. Alright YouTube, I'm going to show you this. This one does not have the O2 sensor on it, so we got that made. All I'm going to do now is unhook these cables. Alright, there's the O2 sensor on the upstream side. There's none downstream, so it's going to make it easy. And which I'm not going to video trying to get these freaking cables out. They say it's a son of a gun, so you know what, that sucker's coming out. I have 1 minute, 2 minutes, so I'm gonna give it a try with it on camera. But let's see, the next video will be install. But let's see what we can do. Yeah, let's pop that button off here. Yeah, that sucks. Alright. It's going to be the end of this video 1, installing it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this crap. But that is a look at that big power robbing SOB. And it's going to streamline it too a lot. But from what I hear, it makes a big difference. So that's it. So I got that big heavy sucker off, and this big heavy sucker off. So that's a lot of difference right there. So I'll start video 2 in a little bit. I'm not going to bore nobody with the time it's going to take to unhook those cables and pull it out. It's a son of a gun, that's all I'm going to say. But alright, this is Ravenwood. I'm going to end this one video, and we'll start at number 2 as soon as I get those stinking cables off that cat. So YouTube, y'all have a blessed day.